JNK India Limited is set to make their mark in the financial arena with their IPO. ये एक ऐसी कंपनी है जो वाइड रेंज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफर करती है, जो कि प्राइमरीली कैटेगराइज्ड है अंडर टू सेगमेंट्स, heating equipments, and also over the years it has diversified into flares and incinerators and has been developing capabilities in the renewable sector with green hydrogen. They are one of the well-recognized process fire heater companies in India. ये कंपनी 2010 में एस्टैब्लिश हुई थी, स्पेशलाइजिंग इन द डिजाइन, मैन्युफैक्चर, सप्लाई, इंस्टॉलेशन एंड कमिशनिंग ऑफ द प्रोसेस फायर हीटर्स, reformers and tracking furnaces. Now moving forward towards the IPO details. The IPO of JNK is a book-built issue. इसका total issue size is 650 crore, comprising a fresh issue of rupees 300 crore and an offer for sale of approximately 0.84 crore share. The price band has been set in the range of rupees 395 to rupees 450 per equity share. इस IPO का सब्सक्रिप्शन ओपन होगा अप्रैल 23 को और क्लोज होगा अप्रैल 25 को। चलिए जानते हैं कंपनी के बारे में कुछ और डिटेल्स। With a diverse portfolio of products, primarily categorized under heating equipments and flares, incinerators and others, they cater to a wide range of industries, including oil and gas refineries, petrochemicals and fertilizers. Their expertise extends beyond borders with completed projects not only across India but also globally in countries like Nigeria and Mexico. Currently, they have ongoing projects in India and abroad, showcasing their commitment to innovation and expansion. Well, इस कंपनी के फाइनेंशियल परफॉर्मेंस को देखें तो FY 2021 में टोटल रेवेन्यू 138 करोड़ था, 2022 में 297 करोड़, 2023 में 412 करोड़ और दिसंबर 2023 में 257 करोड़। नेट प्रॉफिट को देखें तो FY 2021 में 16 करोड़, 2022 में 36 करोड़ और 2023 में 46 करोड़ और अप टू दिसंबर 2023 तक 46 करोड़ रिकॉर्ड किया। JNK इंडिया की 3 फ्यूचर स्ट्रैटेजीज है। फर्स्ट, geographical expansion with focus on high growth markets to capitalize on the industry tailwinds. Second, enhance company's diversified offerings including renewables. And third, pursue strategic investment, partnership and acquisition opportunities and integrate them with the company's business operations. ये थे इस IPO के related कुछ important details. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट्स या क्वेरीज हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करें and do subscribe for more such updates.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.